And here we are trying to find the expression for the margin, the one that we are trying to maximize. So suppose we have the line W transpose X plus B is equal to 0. And we have our plus plane or plus line and minus line that's 1 unit apart from that line. This is the plus, this is the minus one. So the one on top is X, W transpose X plus B equal to 1. And the one on the bottom is W transpose X plus B is minus 1. So as we have seen before in the perceptron algorithm, this W is perpendicular to the lines. So we have W here and we have negative W here, both perpendicular. So the thing we want to try to find is the distance here. And let's suppose it's lambda W and this is minus lambda W. And suppose we start at some x here. So the thing you observe is if we start with x and then we add lambda W, we get here and we're on that line. So W transpose of that point plus B should be equal to 1. And what's that point is just W plus lambda W, sorry, X plus the lambda W. So similarly, the same thing happens for the other one. W transpose X minus lambda W plus B should be equal to minus 1. So we can combine these two somehow after we simplify them. So W transpose X and move everything to the other side. 1 minus B minus lambda W transpose W. And this same thing is also equal to minus 1 minus B plus W transpose W times lambda. So if we take the difference between these two expressions, this gets to 0, this gets to 2, 0, and minus 2 times lambda W transpose W. So now we can find lambda, which is, move the 2 to the other side, you get 1 over W transpose W. So now we have the lambda already, so we need to figure out the total length. It's just 2 times W times the length of W. So we can write this out. So 2 times whatever that is, this norm, the length of W is just W transpose W square root. So one of them gets cancelled out. That's why you get this expression here, which is equal to the margin. So for SVM, we are trying to maximize this margin subject to the constraint that things are classified correctly. So classified correctly by the plus and minus planes.